Tributes are being paid to Welsh singer Bonnie Tyler, who has died at the age of 75. The 1980s pop icon was best known for her song Total Eclipse of the Heart and Holding Out for a Hero. A statement on her website said she died unexpectedly in hospital in Portugal, where she was being treated for an illness.
Every now and then I get a little bit nervous that the best of all the years have gone by.
She was the Welsh singer with the big hair and bigger voice, responsible for some of the biggest anthems of the 70s and 80s. Bonnie Tyler's power ballads shot her to worldwide fame, her raspy vocals instantly recognisable. For her, singing was in her bones.
That's what I set out to be, a singer, you know. I'd be in some club somewhere around Wales now if I hadn't been discovered, for sure, because I love doing what I do.
Bonnie Tyler's career spanned decades. Her performances struck a chord, winning new generations of fans.
And they were amazing, and they were so far back I couldn't see the end of them, you know.
They almost broke the walls, like they were pushing, they couldn't get closer to you. It was awesome.
She had continued to perform up until recently, and a summer tour was planned. Her friends today paid tribute.
Bonnie believed in every line, every word she sang, and that was her skill. That's what I spotted, and that's what I loved about her. She just never gave anything but 100%.
Her songs filled dance floors and karaoke bars. Today she was remembered as a true icon who never tired of playing her hits.
Nothing I can say, a total eclipse of the heart.
Conor Hunt, RTE News.